Good morning. This is just a quick video to show how I'm setting up my remote location for my Garmin GDL 50. I had a Stratus receiver there for years that worked flawlessly in this location in this similar setup, but I had ran into some problems with this Garmin, and this is my solution. So my problem was not necessarily the GPS reception, but the ADSB. In my Stratus, they actually sell a remote antenna that worked excellent, but with the Garmin, they do not sell it. They just have, this little antenna that, sits up here on the back, but it was not enough. So my problem was I was having a cord, and I was able to custom make this cord, and it's a MDX connection. So that's Mike Delta X-ray. And that type of connection is not listed anywhere that I could find. I had to find someone who really knows connections to be able to get it all to work out. So I bought this cord, and when I did, I knew it was going to be a heavier cord. You can kind of see, I kind of wish I would have gotten one that was a little bit lighter, but it is what it is. So you can there. Another thing I wish I would have gotten was a 90-degree connection. I could have made it, I just didn't know. I'm going to have some problems with this cord being as stiff as it is, but that's it. So that's it. So I think that's going to work great, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in the plane. So you can see it down there, and then actually you can kind of see right there, I put a USB plug back there a few years ago that works phenomenal. Plug that in, and I use it for other things too. But there's my antenna. So let me go around to the other side. Took the cord, ran it underneath the carpet a little bit, and then again, there's the power, and then there's the antenna. It should work flawlessly. So anyway, that's it. Hope it helps. Again, the cord is an MDX connection. Bye.